In this video we will create plasma using microwave magnetron microwave energy.
Take away your purple one. I like this one better. I can feel a good warmth from him.
The gas in the bulb helps you see the radio waves. Wow! There is plasma in it, a real clot. Burning, 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 so yellow, it can explode.
So let it explode.
Look, hold it, hold it. Look what happened to the light bulb. Its glass swelled like a bubble due to heating. And it burst. Let's see what will happen to the paperclip. Now it will burn through the saucer. Let's try on a tree.
The wire is still intact.
Let's try on glass. Let's take a thicker wire.
There is also such a lamp. Somehow it glows strangely. And the wires immediately smoke. Do you see that?
Why are they smoking so much? Wow, wait, keep doing it.
Luminous music.
Point at the light bulb. Wow. Did it burn out? Wow, and what was it? It breaks through the insulation? It's incredible, it ignites at a great distance.
Come closer, show the plasma to the camera.
Look how bright it burns. There's blue plasma in it. Wow, it's burst. But no, it's the s.t.a.l.k.e.r burning. Something glows in this one. You will ruin the light bulbs. Just look. Point the beam at him. See how it lights up.
It's not over yet. In the next video, the magnetron will cause real mutations. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss anything. Also check out our Instagram to see how we do it.